Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start question number 2 of exercise 2.2 class 11 maths. It says construct a matrix B which is equal to, okay, here it is written wrongly. It is not Aij, it is Bij of the order 3 cross 3 for which, okay, 3 is the number of rows and 3 is the number of columns. So there should be 3 rows and 3 columns in the matrix which we have to construct. So first of all, we are going to name all these rows and columns, all the elements present in these rows and columns. So B, the first row means 1 and the first column means 1. Now this is an element placed in the first row and then first column. This is in the first row and the second column. This is in the first row, you can see it is in the first row and then the third column. Now here B second row, this is the second row, this is row number 1, this is row number 2 second row, and then the first column, this is B second row and second column, B second row, third column, B third row. Now this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, and first column, this is column number 1, B third row, second column, and B third row, third column. How third column? Because this is column number 1, column number 2, and column number 3. Now we have to find all these terms, okay? But we have to find all these terms. How we'll find these terms? By looking at part number 1, which says Bij equals I square minus j whole divided by 3. We have to use this formula, put in the values of I and j and find all these values. What is I and what is j? I is the number of rows, or you can say I equals m and j equals n. Okay. So here I is 1, j is 1, I is 1, j is 2, I is 1, j is 3, and same for all of the other elements too. Now for finding B11, okay, so what is I equals 1 and j equals 1? I'm just writing it over here for the first part. For the rest of the parts you must know it, okay. I just wait for a while. Yes, we have to find B11 where I equals 1 and j also equals 1. So putting I equals 1 and j equals 1 in this formula, so we get 1 square minus 1 whole divided by 3. It is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 1 is 0 by 3, which is equal to 0. So the first element comes out to be 0. We can write B11 equals 0. So in the place of B11, we are going to write 0 over here. Okay. Now the second element is B21. Here I equals 2 and j equals 1. So now putting these values of I and j in this equation, we get equals to 2 square minus 1 whole divided by 3 equals 4 minus 1 by 3 equals 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Now B31 equals I equals 3 and j equals 1. So now putting these values over here, so we get 3 square minus 1 whole divided by 3 equals 9 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 8 by 3. Now we have to find B12. You can find it in any order. Just you have to find all of these 9 elements and then we are going to put it over here, okay? B12 is equal to, now I'm not going to write these values of I and j separately, you must know it by yourselves. 1 square minus 2 whole divided by 3 equals 1 minus 2 whole divided by 3 equals minus 1 by 3. Now we have to find B13. So we get 1 square minus 3 whole divided by 3, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we have to find B22. So we get 2 square minus 2 whole divided by 3 equals 4 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Then we have to find B23. It is equal to 2 square minus 3 whole divided by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 3 by 3 equals 1 by 3. Now we get B32. It is equal to 3 square minus 2 whole divided by 3, it is equal to 3 square gives us 9 minus 2 whole divided by 3 and 9 minus 2 gives us 7 by 3 as it is, okay. B33 gives us 3 square minus 3 whole divided by 3, so we get 9 minus 3 by 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 by 3 gives us 2. Now we have to put all these values over here. So B12, where is B12? We can find it over here. B12 equals minus 1 by 3, so we are going to write minus 1 by 3 over here. Now B13, where is B13? This one is B13, so we get minus 2 by 3 over here, minus 2 by 3. B21 equals, now find it and write the values. I'm going to do it for you. Okay, I've put the values of all these elements. Now you can see that this is the matrix we have constructed for this condition. Now for part number 2 we are given with the different condition, for part 3 we are given with a different condition. So we have to follow all those conditions and make out a matrix of order 3 by 3 which we have made for the first part. Now we are going to move towards the second part. For part number 2, our formula is Bij equals I square minus j square whole divided by 2i. So we have to use this formula and find all these elements which we have to place in this matrix and find the and construct the matrix. Okay. For the first element B11, I equals 1, j equals 1, putting I equals 1 and j equals 1 in this formula, so we get I square minus j square, so 1 square minus 1 square whole divided by 2i, so 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 gives us 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. For B12, I equals 1, j equals 2, so we get 1 square minus j square equals 1 square is I square minus j square equals 2 square whole divided by 2 into I, so 2 into 1, so we get 2 into 1 over here, so we get 1 minus 4 whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we get for B13, I equals 1, j equals 3, so 1 square minus 3 square whole divided by 2 into 1. So we get 1 square is 1 minus 3 square is 9 whole divided by 2 into 1 gives us 2. 1 minus 9 is minus 8 by 2 gives us minus 4. Now B21, now I'm not going to tell you what is I equal to and what is j equal to. This is what you have to infer from yourselves. So we get 2 square minus 1 square whole divided by 2 into 2 equals 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. Now we get 2 square minus 2 square whole divided by 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 whole divided by 4, so we get 0 by 4, which is equals to 0. B23 equals 2 square minus 3 square whole divided by 2 into 2, so we get 2 square is 4 minus 9 whole divided by 2 into 2 gives us 4, so we get minus 5 by 4. Now for B31 we get 3 square minus 1 square whole divided by 2 into 3, because I here is 3. Now 3 square is 9 minus 1 square is 1 whole divided by 2 into 3 gives us 6. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 8 by 6 gives us 4 by 3. B32 gives us 3 square minus 2 square whole divided by 2 into 3, which is equal to 9 minus 2 square gives us 4 whole divided by 2 into 3 gives us 6. 9 minus 4 is 5 by 6. Now B33 gives us 3 square minus 3 square whole divided by 2 into 3, which is equal to 9 minus 9 whole divided by, this is 9, okay, consider it to be 9, okay. 2 into 3 gives us 6, which is 0. Okay. Now we have found the values of all of the elements of matrix B. So now we are going to put all of these values over here in the matrix. So the first term is 0, the second is minus 3 by 2, the third one is minus 4, fourth one is 3 by 4, fifth one is 0, sixth one is minus 5 by 4, seventh is 4 by 3. I'm writing it from here, okay. Now the next is 5 by 6 and the last term is 0. So this is your matrix for part number 2. Now moving towards the next part, number 3. Part number 3 is Bij equals 2 by 2i plus j. Now we have to use this formula to find all the elements, putting the values of I and j in this formula, okay. So now we are going to find them out, which is equal to 2 remains as it is. Okay. 2 whole divided by, it is 2i plus j, so 2 into I, the value of I is 1, and plus j, the value of j is also 1, so we get 2 by 2 plus 1, which is 2 by 3. Now for B12 we get 2 by 2 into I is 1 plus j is 2 equals 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 by 4 equals 1 by 2. Now 2 by 2 into I is 1 and plus j is 3. So we get 2 by 2 plus 3 is 5, and this is your answer for B13. Now B21 we get 2 by 2 into 2 plus 1 equals 2 by 2 into 2 gives us 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Again 2 by 5. Now we get 2 by 2 into I is 2 plus j is also 2, which is equal to 2 by 2 into 2 gives us 4 plus 2 gives us 6 equals to 1 by 3. Now B23, for B23 we get 2 divided by 2 into I is 2 plus j is 3. So we get 2 by 2 into 2 gives us 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Now 2 divided by 2 into I is 3 plus j is 1, which is equal to 2 into 3 gives us 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Now B32 equals 2 by 2 into I is 3 plus j is 2. So we get 2 by 2 into 3 gives us 6 plus 2 gives us 8 equals to 1 by 4. And then the last term would be 2 divided by 2 into I is 3 plus j is also 3. So we get 2 into 3 gives us 6 plus 3 gives us 9. So 2 by 9. We found the values of all the elements of matrix B. So we are going to put them over here. The first one here is 2 by 3. The second is 1 by 2. So 2 by 3, 1 by 2. The next value is 2 by 5. Then comes 2 by 5, 1 by 3. 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, then is 1 by 4 and 2 by 9, 1 by 4 and 2 by 9. So this is your answer for part number 3. Now we are going to move towards part number 4, which is Bij equals I square plus j square whole divided by I plus j. So now we have to put the values of I and j in this formula to find the values of all the terms of the matrix B. So first of all, the first term is B11, so the value of I is also 1 and the value of j is also 1. So, sorry, putting it over here we get 1 square plus 1 square whole divided by 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 equals 2 by 2 equals 1. Now for I equals 1 and j equals 2 we get, how do we find that I equals 1 and j equals 2? This first term is I and the second term is j, so I equals 1 and j equals 2. So putting these values in this formula, so we get over here 1 square plus 2 square whole divided by 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3, so 4 plus 1 is 5 by 3. Now we get equals to 1 square plus 3 square whole divided by 1 plus 3 equals 1 plus 9 whole divided by 3 plus 1 gives us 4 equals 10 by 4, which is equal to 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. The next term is 2 square plus 1 square whole divided by 2 plus 1 equals 2 square gives us 4 plus 1 square gives us 1 whole divided by 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 3. Now we get 2 square plus 2 square whole divided by 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 4 whole divided by 4 equals 8 by 4. So we get 2. Now the next term is 2 3. So we get 2 square plus 3 square whole divided by 2 plus 3. It is equal to 2 square gives us 4 plus 3 square gives us 9 whole divided by 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So 9 plus 4 is 13 by 5. The next term would be 3 square plus 1 square whole divided by 3 plus 1. So we get 3 square is 9 plus 1 square gives us 1 whole divided by 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So 10 by 4, which is equal to 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. The next term would be 3 square plus 2 square whole divided by 3 plus 2, which which is equal to 3 square gives us 9 plus 2 square gives us 4 whole divided by 3 plus 2 gives us 5. 9 plus 4 is 13 by 5. The next term is okay, b33 which is equal to 3 square plus 3 square whole divided by 3 plus 3. So 3 square gives us 9 plus 3 square again gives us 9 whole divided by 3 plus 3 gives us 6. It is equal to 18 by 6 and 18 by 6 equals 3. Now we are going to put all these values of the elements of B into the matrix form. So we get 1, 5 by 3, 5 by 2. The next term is 5 by 3, 2 and 13 by 5, and then 5 by 2, 13 by 5 and 3. This was your fourth part answer, and this is the matrix we've got, and thank you so much.